In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the emergency call alerts to the front desk. This video will cover what alerting options are available, how to set them up correctly, and what the alerts look like. When a guest makes an emergency call, there are three types of alerts that can be generated. The first is a system-generated phone call. This automatic call can ring any number of phones and will display the caller ID emergency. This call will ring until it is either answered or until the emergency services call ends, whichever comes first. When answered, it will play a message informing the hotel staff member of the extension that placed the call and what number was dialed. This message will then continue to loop until the call is ended. The second type of notification is a visual display on the browser console. This display is a pop-up window displaying the extension number that placed the emergency call and the number dialed. This pop-up will remain until the emergency call ends or until it is cleared by clicking close. The third notification is by email or text message. This email displays the extension number that made the emergency call, along with the number dialed and the date and time. This message can normally be sent as a text message using the cell carrier's email to text conversion feature. Most providers allow an email message to be sent to a phone number at aprovidername.com and then convert that email to a text message. For example, T-Mobile allows email messages to be sent to a phone number at tmomail.net, and they will convert that email to a text message. No setup is required to receive notifications of emergency calls to the browser console. This happens automatically to all logged-in users and cannot be disabled. Setup of the notification call and email are both done from the settings page. Once logged on to the configurator, navigate to the settings page and then down to settings 24 and 25. Here, a drop-down of available extensions and call groups is available. PhoneSuite recommends creating a special call group that will ring all admin stations with the emergency call notification. However, some hotel brands require that emergency call notifications be sent to one specific phone. Please check with the hotel's general manager if you're unsure about the hotel brand's policies. Setting 25 allows one or more email address to be entered. If entering more than one email address, separate the addresses with a space. Once setup is complete, testing is required to not only ensure that all alerts function correctly, but also that the emergency call itself will be answered by the correct emergency call center. We thank you for taking the time to review proper emergency call notification setup. Don't forget to check out our other tips and tricks videos available on our YouTube channel.